Finding and applying coupons on Puma orders is straightforward. Let's go through the process. Search for coupons. Open your preferred browser and search for Coupon Follow. Select Coupon Website. Visit the Coupon Follow website, typically the first search result. Search for Puma coupons on the Coupon Follow website. Search for Puma coupons. Select desired coupon. Choose a coupon, such as 30% off, and click on it to reveal the code. Copy coupon code. Copy the coupon code. Copy the coupon code provided on the Coupon Follow website. Navigate to Puma website. Go to the Puma website and browse for the product you want to purchase. Add product to cart. Once you've selected a product, add it to your cart by selecting the size and clicking Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout. Go to the checkout page to review your order. Apply coupon code in the checkout section. Look for the option to apply a coupon code. Paste the copied coupon code into the designated field and click Apply. Complete purchase. After applying the coupon, review the updated total to ensure the discount has been applied. Proceed to complete your purchase. That's it. You've successfully found and applied a coupon code to your Puma order, saving money on your purchase.